Think you know what it really costs to own a home in 2025? You may want to think again. Now, most buyers are shocked when they see the real monthly number. And now I'm just not talking about your mortgage payment, which is going to be the principal and interest. However, there are other costs that you need to be aware of. Now, in this video, I'll break it all down so that you, as a homeowner, are aware of the hidden costs that most buyers don't even find out about until it's too late. Hey there, Ravi Ramachandran with the Rams Group here. Sijy, my wife, and me help buyers, sellers in the Seattle and Eastside areas make smart, confident, and great real estate decisions. Every week, we drop actionable videos to help you buy better, sell smarter, and avoid costly mistakes. If that sounds helpful, hit that subscribe button after watching this video and if you found it helpful. Let's get started. Now, you finally found a home, one that you'd love, and you are pre-approved for your mortgage as well. Now, you find that the payment fits your budget and all the boxes are checked, right? And you close on the deal. And that's when the reality hits. Now, you get your first utility bill. Your HOA sends you a surprise notice. Your roof needs a quick repair. And suddenly, your budget's gone from you being comfortable to it becoming a stretch. Now, we've seen buyers regret jumping in without fully understanding the real monthly cost of owning a home. And we don't want that to be you. Now, let's break it all down. Now, besides your mortgage payment, as we talked about it being the principal and the interest, here are the true hidden costs that you need to plan for. Number one is property taxes. In King County, this can be anywhere from $800 to $1,200 a month, depending on your home's value and location. Now, this is for an average 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. Second would be the homeowner's insurance, which can run from about $100 to $150 a month. Now, this is rising with the climate risk. The recent LA fires is a classic example, and we are seeing insurance rates go up. Third is the HOA fees. Now, townhomes and condos have this expense running from about $300 to $600 a month. Now, we've seen HOAs as high as $3,400 per month. Now, this is Bellevue downtown that we're talking about. Something for you to account for and include in your overall expenses. Fourth would be the utilities: electricity, water, gas, internet, and this can run from about $250 to $400 per month on average. Next is home maintenance. Set aside about 1% of the home's value per year. Now, on a $900,000 home, this would be about $750 per month. Emergency repairs is another big bucket that you need to account for. Now, roof leaks, appliance fixes, replacement, plumbing issues are a few to name. Now, all in, your true monthly cost of home ownership could be about $1,500+ per month, higher than just your principal and interest. Something for you to be aware of, okay? Now, that isn't just about scaring you. I just want you to be prepared. Now, smart buyers, they just don't look at what they can afford today, but what they are undertaking and plan for tomorrow. Now, here's the fun fact. When you budget smart upfront, you get to enjoy the home more, don't you? You plan for a backyard fire pit, you upgrade the kitchen guilt-free, and you live in the home and not just pay for it, truly relish it. Now, we even help our clients build own it with ease plans, wherein we estimate the total cost of ownership before they make an offer. Now, do you want one? Stick around. Now, let me give you the truth, can I? Here goes. Owning a home is more than a mortgage. But when you know the full picture, end-to-end picture, you make better decisions and enjoy the home ownership much, much more. That's it. If you are thinking about buying and want a free, personalized home ownership cost plan, let's connect. Feel free to DM, call, or even book into my calendar. My contact information is in the description below. Let's get started and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if this surprised you or helped. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more weekly tips. You take care. Bye-bye.